Hello friends, I am Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I am going to be discussing with you about National Aviation Academy. Well, before you begin your flying training, it is a very important thing to choose for yourself a good flying school which offers you the exact flying syllabus that would be the requirement in your country. And in our country, we follow the Dgca standards. So yes, we need a flying school which follows the Dgca standards. That is in case you choose to go abroad to do your flying training. Epaulettes Aviation has a tie-up with We Are Global and we send our students to National Aviation Academy, which is located in Serbia, Europe. So today I'm going to be telling you all about the National Aviation Academy, and if you have been looking for a place to go to for your flying training, I am sure my video today will be very useful to you. National Aviation Academy has been training pilots for the last 99 years. They have 150 employees where you have your trained theoretical and practical flight instructors. They have the aircraft maintenance crew and the administrative staff. This academy has also trained more than 2,500 pilots. And the pilots who have passed out of this flying school fly in some of the big airlines known in this world. As you can see, these are the airlines that our alumni are working with. You find all the major airlines, Etihad, you have the EasyJet, Vistara, Go Air, you have Turkish Airlines, Air Arabia, Emirates, SpiceJet, Indigo and Qatar Airways. So as you can see, National Aviation Academy is based in two locations, one in Belgrade and the other one in Vršac. Let's take you through what do they have in Belgrade. Belgrade has a college where you get the formal education of a pilot. You're even trained for the air traffic controller and aircraft maintenance engineer. You have your maintenance training organization, ground handling training center, English language proficiency test center, an FFS A320 level DCEO NEO. This is planned to be there by the end of 2023, and they also have a simulator for the ATR 72-600 which would be taken in by the next year, that is 2024. Moving over to Vršac, we have the pilot training center, we have a cabin crew training center, aircraft maintenance organization, and also your accommodation is taken care of. So like I said, We Are Global has a tie-up with National Aviation Academy. So let me take you in detail about We Are Global. Now, We Are Global is an exclusive partnership with the Aviation Academy Belgrade, which is one of Europe's largest and most experienced pilot training center. We have a strong association with AAB and we are dedicated to keep the upkeep of aviation standards in accordance with the world aviation requirements. Our role is to be responsible for the recruitment, marketing, developing tailor-made flight training programs and to maintain an oversight of the whole program at the Aviation Academy Belgrade. Our course costs are one of the most competitive globally. So, like I said, the training is going to be in Vršac. Let's take you through how does Vršac look. As you can see, this is a very beautiful city of Vršac. It's located at the foothills of the Vršac mountains, and this is about 80 kilometers northeast of Belgrade. Belgrade is the capital of Serbia. Something that is very important for students who travel from India is that their syllabus is as per the Dgca standards. Some more details about the flying school. It has its own international airport with 1700 square kilometers of airspace solely intended for pilot training. Well, 1700 square kilometer is a huge airspace. If I need to give an example, it would be more than the area of Delhi. They have a 1000-meter, which is a 1 kilometer long concrete illuminated runway with PAPI lights in both the directions. So basically PAPI is an instrument which guides you for your landing. When you're coming on a landing position, basically when you glide, your PAPI lights tell you if you are high or low on the glide. So it's very rare for airports to have the PAPI lights, especially when we trained, our airport did not have PAPI. So if you have this thing here, it really is a good thing to have. The next one is it has its own control tower and a meteorological service 24/7. They also have navigation aids like NDB, VDF, VOR, DME, which means all your nav flights will be done at the airport itself. And to top it all, they have an 800-meter grass runway and a 600-meter grass runway. If you would like to see what it looks like, This is your concrete runway that is 1 kilometer long, and these are the two runways, this is the 800 meter long runway and this is your 600 meter long grass runway. Basically, why is this runway given is, in case if you are experiencing crosswinds on this runway, you can come in to land on this runway where your crosswinds will come out to be as headwinds for you. And if you are a pilot, you would know that it is always better to land into the headwinds. So I think this airport pretty much gives you all kinds of experiences to fly. I'm sure you all would want to know what is the fleet that they have. Let me quickly tell you about the fleet of this school, that is the kind of aircrafts that they have. So they have 8 Cessna 172 aircrafts with glass cockpit. They have 10 Cessna 172 additional aircrafts. You have one Piper Seneca, that is a PA-34, which will be your multi-engine, and a Diamond DA-42 that again is a twin-engine aircraft that is expected to be coming in this year. They have planned for 2 more Diamond DA-42 aircrafts that will be coming by 2024, that is the next year. And they are also going to get a Bell 206, which is a helicopter, and a Robinson R-44 again, which is expected this year. Also, they have this 2 FNPT-2 MCC, which is a generic multi-engine piston and jet EASA certified, and one FFS A320 that is basically a simulator which is expected in 2023, that is this year, and also an FFS for the ATR, again the simulator, which is expected next year, 2024. Along with your flying training, your accommodations are also taken care of over here. In this year, they are going to be providing accommodation facilities for permanent residents with kitchen and common dining area for about 140 candidates, and they also have sports facilities and a gymnasium. Some other facilities that they have, they maintain their own aircrafts in their own EASA approved aircraft maintenance organization. They have their fire services and a follow me car. They have their own medical services and ambulance, air traffic control unit, airport reservation unit, and a meteorological office. If you want to know more about what the accommodation would be like, well, here it is. You will be in Hotel Serbia, which is situated in the heart of Vršac city. There are many cafes, restaurants and shops within 10 minutes walking distance from the hotel property. And you have your breakfast, lunch and dinner that will be provided to you at the hotel restaurant itself. And you would also be getting a snack box just in case if you have to be flying that day, which is very convenient. You would not have to be spending the extra bucks just to go grab yourself some lunch. And also, very important, your transport will be provided from your hotel to the airport, and then it will bring you back to the hotel. So these are the facilities that would be provided to you. Everything is taken care of. You really don't have to worry about anything. The rooms are excellent. Also, the most important thing, you would be provided with Wi-Fi, internet, TV and telephone. You have all the basic things that you would need. And to take you through the property facilities, you have your restaurants. You will be getting Indian food, room service, lounge, daily housekeeping, which is again very important. Of course, you wouldn't want to be spending your time, in just managing your own stuff. So that is there. Then your fitness center, you'll have a spa, an outdoor garden terrace, private parking and laundry service, again very important. Let's go through the courses that are offered over here. So these are the list of courses that you can see. The course that you would be doing is an ATPA, which is an integrated course. The integrated program means you will get your CPL, but you will also get the ATPL theory credits, which means that after coming back to India and after having flown 1500 hours, even if it is after joining the airlines, you will not have to appear for your ATPL theory subjects in case you haven't done that. So all you have to do is do your 1500 hours of flying, finish your skill test and get your ATPL in India. So this course is tailor-made as per the Dgca India license requirements. So what's happening right now is they are giving the ICAO license. Very soon they're going to change to EASA, and EASA licenses are valid at more than 27 countries all over the world. Which means that once you have their license, you could be flying at any of these 27 countries in the world. They will also very soon have the Airbus and the ATR type rating in their campus. That is the FFS A320 Level D CEO/NEO, and this is planned to be fully operative by the end of 2023. Which means that in case you wish to do your type rating, you would have to look nowhere else. Your flying school will have it all. Along with your pilot training, the school also offers a cabin crew training. I will not be explaining in detail about this. However, you also have an English language proficiency test center. As you all know, being proficient in English language is very important. So yes, that will also be done over here. The center is certified in accordance with the ICAO requirements. So your flight training will be of 227 hours and 30 minutes. Let me tell you, the Indian requirement is only 200 hours of flying, so you will be getting something additional too. Let's take you through the breakdown. You will have 192 hours and 30 minutes of single engine, that is on a Cessna 172. You will get 15 hours on multi-engine, which is a Piper Seneca PA34. 20 hours on multi-engine simulator, that is all sim ALX. You will be provided with the summer and winter uniform, a tablet for pilot and e-books, pick up and drop to the accommodation once daily. You will have your ELP tests, school administrative fees should be given, your public administrative fees, civil aviation directorate administrative fees, and the facilitation fees, local taxes, accident insurance, health insurance, and class 1 medical EASA. So basically this is all the things that you will be paying for, and that will be given to you. You will be getting all these things along with it. Plus you have your hotel accommodation, which includes all your 3 meals. So let's quickly take you through the Indian Dgca requirements and how is it going to be met over here. So as you all know, 200 hours of flying is the minimum requirement of Dgca. What they're giving you here is a grand total of 227 hours and 30 minutes. Again, 300 nautical mile cross country with 2 full stop landings. You will have a PIC by night 5 hours. Here they're giving you a total of 20 hours of night flying experience. Then you will also have a 250 nautical mile cross country test by day and also a 120 nautical mile cross country by night. You need to have a signal reception test report, 100 hours minimum of PIC, solo cross country minimum 50 hours. What they will give you is 89 hours and 20 minutes. Also, instrument time of minimum 40 hours. What you're getting here is a grand total of 124 hours. You will get your IR test report with 2 approaches for endorsed multi-engine aircraft, a record of MEP ground school, statement indicating 15 hours of training on multi-engine aircraft including test and check, and your GFT by day and GFT by night. So this is how your course will be taking place. So let me quickly take you through the various phases of this flying training. Your first phase has informative flying, flying zone and traffic circuit. The second phase will have a traffic circuit, flying zone, max performance, navigation flying and under the hood flying. The third phase will have a traffic circuit, a flying zone, navigation flying, ADF zone, controlled airspace via ADF and night flying. And your fourth phase would be a VOR zone, IFR controlled airspace, multi-engine IFR program, class rating 2-engine airplane, a multi-engine IFR program and an FNPT, that is your simulator. So this is a total breakdown of your flying hours and this is your grand total. In case you're worried about the job opportunities after you finish your CPL, do not be worried. This flying school offers you to be a flying instructor with them after you have finished your ATPA integrated program. Your contract will be valid for 2 years, and flying as a flight instructor after you get your CPL is a good idea because this will help you gain more experience and you will increase your flying hours. So these are our partners: the Ministry of Education, Science and Technological Development, the Ministry of Defense, Republic of Serbia, and the Republic of Serbia Ministry of Interior. But let me also tell you that this is a government flying school and the government of Serbia has decided to invest 65 million euros in the expansion of this facility. So do not be worried, you will be in safe hands. So now that you know so much about this flying school, the course starts from the 1st May 2023 and the next batch will begin on the 1st of December 2023. So if you still haven't decided about where you want to go and do your flying training, don't be thinking anymore. Quickly come to Golden Epaulettes Aviation and we will help you with everything. All your documentation, visa processing will be taken care of by us. For any more further inquiries, please feel free to contact us at the address and contact details given below. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!